banking and money laundering risks. So again, this is a challenge, and it's really frustrating as a cannabis operator in business. Business operators have been screaming for since the inception of this industry to have access to banks. And the unique thing is that again, some of these attorney generals memos that have come out over the years have defined how banks can work with cannabis businesses, but most big banks don't want to touch this industry with a 10-foot pole. There's red flags as owners and operators. If you're licensed in this business, it can be a challenge even having a private bank account. I know this very directly. When I got my license to cultivate, my landlord had a mortgage, which is not allowed. One of the unique things in this industry is that the property that you operate on needs to have no bank note on it at all, no mortgage or anything, because the FDIC is not okay with that. So the FDIC actually got word from the bank that somebody at the bank of my landlord called the FDIC and asked if it was okay to lease to a cannabis operator. They came in the next day, I think 3 or 4 of them in suits, and told the bank, get rid of the marijuana people. That's a direct quote from the FDIC. So they can threaten these banks by seizing their assets. And so that's one of those unique challenges in this industry. But the way banks can, and a lot of these smaller banks choose to work with the industry, is they have to go through these suspicious activity reporting requirements, which requires them to go through these AML or anti-money laundering audits, essentially.